717 Credit Union continues to expand its reach across northeastern Ohio as Accessible Home Services grows its footprint with a new $1.5 million headquarters. Those stories and more on today's Daily Buzz.
The Daily Buzz is brought to you by 717 Credit Union.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily Buzz. I'm Mike Moliterno. 717 Credit Union, the largest credit union in northeastern Ohio, is planning to double in size by the end of the decade. 717 ranked fourth in Ohio for both deposits and assets in the second quarter, according to iBankNet. It holds $1.5 million in deposits and $1.8 million in assets. President and CEO John Demler says 717 aims to grow its membership from 120,000 to 200,000 by 2030.
Part of our strategic plan between now and 2030 is to add 12 additional branches to our footprint of 12 existing branches. And so we look to do that. One of the reasons between, in Stark and Summit and Portage is that we have a branch down in Canton, which we've had for 30 years, and a branch in Kent and a branch in Ravenna, and really to provide better service to our members that live out in those counties to fill in that geography with additional branches.
717 is also expanding its presence in markets to the west. In September, the credit union announced it had obtained the naming rights to Canal Park, home of the Akron Rubber Ducks, starting next year. The ballpark will be known as 717 Credit Union Park. Closer to home, 717 continues to sponsor local events, including the Blues, Brews, and Barbecue Festival at the Warren Community Amphitheater earlier this month. 717 also sponsors Financial Wellness Night at Eastwood Field. This year's event drew a record crowd and featured a drone show.
The impact that we try to have, that means the most to us. And whether we can do that by not charging the closing fees on mortgages, which no one else is doing, by the way. That's just not a standard thing in the industry. The standard thing in the industry is to charge as much as you can, right? From that to we launched a credit card program, whether it's the affinity card that we have with a number of partners now, but the whole point of the credit card is to actually get people out of debt.
You can read more in the mid-October issue of the Business Journal, out now. An office building at 4981 Belmont Avenue has been sold for $1.5 million. The sale was recorded October 17th with the Trumbull County Auditor's Office. Records show Marwet Land Company sold the property to Accessible Home Services Incorporated. The building previously sold in 2023 for just over $900,000. Accessible Home Services, which provides care and support for adults with disabilities, now uses the Belmont Avenue site as its headquarters. And Halloween thrill seekers have until November 2nd to experience Blood Prison, a haunted attraction inside the former Ohio State Reformatory. The event runs Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays through November 2nd, plus Thursday, October 23rd. The historic prison, known for its Gothic architecture and reputation for paranormal activity, remains a popular destination for ghost hunters. And that is going to do it for today's Daily Buzz. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. If you'd like to dive deeper into any of these stories, links are available in the description. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Mike Moliterno.
717 Credit Union. Savings power to give your business an extra boost. Business savings, certificates, and business money market. 717 Credit Union. Make your money work as hard as you do. Check out our business money market and CD rates at 717cu.com/rates.